Oh my God!
I'm Holly.
I'm Drew.
I'm Jerry.
So people can understand because no one's explaining it. I'm Holly. Oh, gonna go water the plants. Oh, why is it not moving? Well, bam!
I like to grow these so they're easy for people at the market, so they have little handles. So you're able to just carry it. Like, hey, I'm going to work right now. Goodbye. There we go. Lots of Chandlers and a lot of Chandlers. And let me see. We got Chandler. Who is this Chandler guy?
We're doing good. We're here at the farmers market. You know, we're Cherish Farms. We're here to sell some stuff. That's all we know.
And don't forget, we can grow a lot of things, but we can't grow this channel without you.
These are just, there was a bee.
Chaz would have spotted that. You see what that is?
I know, right?
That's a bug.
I know.
That's
what
a
is
bug.
It?
It's hiding right now.
Not
It looks
a bug,
like
is it?
that's a bug.
Woo!
That's a
I don't know what it
caterpillar. Yes, it is.
Good morning, all. We are here at the last summer farmers market. We got it going on in the booth.
Don't forget, we're putting Pro Cut sunflowers in right now. If you put those in and you live at a house, you're gonna need to hire a pro to cut them because they are Pro Cuts. So let's not get a ticket.
We're at the market today, and I just wanted to show you guys what we have. It's been a long week, a lot of harvesting, and a lot of produce. So here we go. Texas heat is mean, and in just a few hours, yeah, we lost almost all the Pro Cuts, and we lost the zinnias in 2 days, and the beets, yeah, they didn't germinate. But I should have known better than that, to be honest. We'll germinate them in the house and put them out and start the next succession planting of our beets. So thanks, Texas, for all the heat. What time is it here in Texas?
Grasshopper season.
It's grasshopper season.
There's
And
a
it's
lot.
9 o'clock.
And there's like a big one in the bathroom that Papa's gonna get.
We're rating this little seed dropper here, and it's supposed to drop 1 to 5 seeds, small to big. And here's my review. Go.
Good morning, guys. We are here at the market. Drew is here. And Jerry's here.
I'm Jerry.
He's actually working today.
I'm Jerry.
We got him up. Where's Jerry at?
It's 8:30. Jerry said he'd be here at 8.
He said he liked it. It was better for him if he got up at 8. He didn't say nothing about going to work at 8. Ready? So
He makes a lot of money on this farm. He should be here at 8
here's the
o'clock.
score right now. Farm 1, Jerry 0.
You really don't make any money on the farm. He does it for the experience. She's eating all the cherry tomatoes, guys. We're not going to have any for the market because they Emmy. They good?
What this little thing is here, it's where scout bees come into the farm, and if they find food, they'll leave it in these little holes and cover them up with mud. So a year later or whatever, another scout bee comes and he has food. And you can see we got quite a few filled up now.
Good morning, guys. We are here at the market today. It is July 1st, and we're here for the 4th of July thingy market this week. This is what our booth looks like. We're very excited, so we hope we have a great and amazing market. So here it is. Today I gotta get to work. I have an area that I need to clear out for our chickens. Yes, we're finally getting chickens. Yay, I'm excited. So,
Anybody want to make a bet who takes care of the chickens?
I made a deal with Drew that I raise them from babies to toddlers to children. Once they're children, he gets them. And so that's just the rules of the farm. I make everything, he keeps them.
Well, very good. You're a good hard worker.
I'm lazy. Good morning, all. I'm tired. And we haven't even started, so you know me, I'm a whiner. Summer market. We are doing it up here at Burleson's Farmers Market, and we have lots of produce, lots of flowers.
That's a wildflower. Looks pretty good though.
So we've been fighting grasshoppers, and they're winning. Luckily this year in Texas it wasn't as bad as last year. We didn't have the triple digits starting in June this year, but everything still struggled. Tomatoes struggled, cucumbers struggled, squash struggled.
Even I struggled.
Jerry made it to the market.
We just got back from the market in Burleson. Did pretty good. It was an hour shorter than it usually is, but we sold a lot.
The sprinklers are done, man.
They're done, man.
We're just learning while we're earning. That's all we can do, but we ain't earning nothing. So like, comment, and share. I'm Jerry on the farm. Hey, let me show y'all something. This is my chair. Watch this. This is my stool. You put your fingers in it, twist, twist, and sit on it.
Was it fun?
It was a very good market for them.
Was it fun though unloading?
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, it's always
I love
fun.
it. Unloading.
I said it feels like sometimes if, like doing the market, if I'm not allowed to be able to unload, it's just a huge letdown.
Yay, we had enough fabric. Just enough, but enough.
Spooning, or spoon, as they would call it in Eastern Europe. It's when you take a finger.
I got helpers today, but I'm not sure everyone would consider them helpers. Just kidding, you guys help. They're good for manual labor. Drew's good for manual labor. He's good for emotional support. I'm just
I'm the emotional leader of the farm.
We do have good conversations though. He gossips too much just so the family knows.
Well, you know, if you're wondering, if he's talking about you, he talks about everybody.
We're here at the Burleson Market this morning and we just got set up. I feel kind of rough today, so hopefully we'll have a great day. There's Drew back there. It's been really slow today. If Chaz is watching, we don't really like this spot. We want to be more in the middle or down towards the end.
Love to have the
from
end cap,
him.
the end cap, because we're going to be putting a hurting on you in a few weeks with our stuff. Just saying, bro.
Competition coming. Okay, it's all in, and now we will water it. I put some more salt on top, and now I'm watering it in, and I'll do this a couple of times. These are Celebrity. We grow these every year. They're medium-sized tomatoes, and they're really, really tasty and yummy, kind of sweet.
Yeah! Woo! Okay, and then we got some flowers.
So we've sowed almost all the flowers and almost all the lettuce. We just have just a little bit of lettuce left and a little bit of flowers. We've been doing good. And Drew sowed some hanging baskets.
World's best market. Burleson.
Come see us.
And I don't know what I found right there. Does that look like a knuckle to anybody? Or so? It does. It's really weird. Look, doesn't that look like a knuckle or an elbow? Look, not kidding. Proud of that. You see how fast I did that? Like a calf.
What does that mean, like a calf?
You know, on the rodeos where they stretch the calf out. Ah!
Hey guys, thanks for joining us today, and we hope to see you next time here
On the farm.